Assalamualaikum, my name is Payal and I'm going to share the business idea of our project. As world is moving so fast, people preferences are also changing. First, people used to buy from the nearest shop, but as time goes on, they change their self and they start buying from departmental store. But the problem is that in departmental store, they were unable to recognize that or whether they are in the budget or not. This thing put people in awkward situation, like at checkout time they have to take something out from their trolleys to get into the budget. So our group came up with the unique idea that we are introduce smart trolleys. In smart trolleys there is a function of touch screen, in that the time of checkout, the bill will be in front of the customers on the smart trolleys, so it will be convenient for customers. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faidan Eder and I am telling you about the purpose solution. Present situation in shopping general stores are time utilization is enormous issues. Billing segment, consumers have no clue about the current offers in general store. Once in a while, shopping is done past in the spending plan of the customer. So remembering everyone, the system should be created customer simple of interference. So smart trolley application is a hardware purpose utilized for material get and take care of plant independent on their mechanical innovation. I accepted that this is the smart trolley in the purpose solution. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Abdul Razak and my topic is purpose solution. We can introduce a product that will calculate the amount of the bills before checkout. It will also help us to know the price of the product, as many people use calculator to calculate their bills and most of the time they forgot to enter the amount of the bills and create mistakes. So we came up with the idea with the smart trolley. Smart trolley will calculate your total bill before checkout. Smart trolley aims to eliminate the inconvenience as conceivable from the system and make the system which is consumer kindly and customer friendly.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nehal Shahid and the unique value proposition of Smart Trolley is that it helps the customer to save a lot of time as it lets the customer to scan the products and get the information, and they can directly pay their bills from their mobile phones. Smart Trolley also provides the customer to purchase things in lower prices, and as the Smart Trolley lets the customers to scan the barcodes of the product and get the information by themselves without contacting anyone. In this way, Smart Trolley is a safer and healthier shopping process in this pandemic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sayada Anam Fatma and I will tell you a little about unique value of our smart shopping cart. So it will help customer in different ways, like it will be very less time consuming as compared to like long lines and queues in billing session, and it will also protect people, like as you know coronavirus is around, so we should avoid crowded places. So it will protect people and it will be more easier and convenient for people. And the platform or channels we uses to promote our product or our smart trolley will be online shopping network, of course, and our company website. We will be having a company website through which you can get information about our product or cart or retails. We will have these kind of channels through which we can easily provide you our services. Thank you.
So here I am telling you about the cost structure and revenue for our project trolley business. So our startup cost was 37 lakh and we have 48 trolleys per price is